Social media ads look easy until you burn through your budget with zero results. Here's the truth. Most of what you've been told about running ads online is either outdated, overhyped, or just plain wrong. Today we're pulling back the curtain. No fluff, no filters. Welcome to the channel. This is where we keep it real about marketing that actually works. If you've ever boosted a post and wondered where your money went, or if you're tired of copy and paste strategies that fall flat, you're in the right place. So section 1, what no one tells you. Let's talk about the stuff no one's saying out loud. The boost button, it's a money pit if you don't have a funnel behind it. High reach doesn't mean high sales. Vanity metrics are not your ROI. Great creative alone won't save a bad offer or a poor targeting strategy. And here's a big one. Platforms want your money whether your ads perform or not. Section 2, what actually works. So what does work? Here's what successful advertisers know. Clear goals and conversion tracking. If you don't know your cost per lead or sale, you're flying blind. Testing multiple creatives, headlines, and audiences because guessing is expensive. Pairing ads with landing pages that actually convert. No more sending people to your homepage and hoping for magic. Retargeting. Most people won't convert on the first click. Stay in front of them. Section 3, the new ad mindset. If you're treating ads like a shortcut to sales, it's time for a reset. Think of ads as a tool to build relationships, test messaging, and amplify what already works. It's not about outspending, it's about outsmarting. So are you ready to supercharge your digital marketing? Follow me for more marketing tips and tricks.